Hungry for traditional Mexican food? You got it. Today we'll do a roasted octopus in adobo. Wait to try it. And today I'm gonna use the octopus, previously cooked, butter, chile ancho, garlic, olive oil, purple onion, bell peppers, or salt, oregano, and white vinegar. Okay, very carefully, I'm gonna open the peppers to take the seeds and the beans out. First, we put the peppers to roast. Now that we roast them, we are going to put them in water. We add water and let it cook for 10 minutes. Once the peppers are broiled, we are going to let them rest. We're going to use some of our special salt. We're going to add garlic and onion. And we're going to blend it in the traditional Mexican way with the molcajete. We add oregano. Now we take the chilies out of the water into the molcajete, saving the water for the rest of the recipe. Now we mash in the traditional way all the peppers. We add some of the water. Now we add a little bit of olive oil, garlic. We add the white vinegar. Mash the garlic with the oil. Is ready to step the beautiful chili. So we're gonna use some of the drop into the chili. We're gonna let it reduce and make sure that we have the recipe even. Now we have a hot pot. We add a little butter. And now our vegetables. Remember, you can use any type of pot that you can have at home. Or a special salt. Oh my God, look at that. Now we're gonna add some of our special salt. The pot has to be very hot so the octopus can seal and it will not stick into the pot. We add a little butter just to make the detail crispy. We turn it over. Look how it is fried. Once they are fried, it is time to add the adobo. It is ready now, so we have the octopus, the bell pepper, and now we're gonna try it. Oh my God, this is so good. Delightful.